Alright, this is the Harmon rocket. I got this from another club member out here named Daryl. Gave me a really good price on it. I appreciate it, Daryl, if you see this. It's got, I believe it's a OS46AX engine on it that works really well. All right. Alright, this flies really good, but I'm having a hard time landing it without bouncing it, and I think it's because I was trying to land it on its mains as opposed to a three-pointer. So today I'll try a three-point landing. We'll see what happens. Got the ailerons down on low rates, elevator and rudder on mid, and let's give it a try. Okay, here we go. Cutting back 2 ticks on the throttle. There's our flaps. It's actually flapper runs. Still think we're too high. We'll go around one more time. Going around. Sun's coming back out. Yeah, much better. I did pick up a weed off of the field though. thing kept having a lot of drag. I couldn't figure out what it was. That was hanging from my tail wheel. Believe it or not, that impacted the way it flies, man.
Well, I guess. Yeah.
I would have never suspected that that would have a
Flare on landing, okay?
well, yeah, I think so.
Because you could add just a little bit of weight to the tail. Usually make them slow down pretty good. Yeah, that's flares.
Yeah, yeah. That's what it was, man.
You could probably add, I would say, just a half ounce to the tail.
To the tail end.
Just probably smooth it out a lot. Yeah, just
Alright, so lesson learned here is on these sport type planes that are tail draggers, need to come in on a 3-point landing. And that's something I was not doing. I was coming in on the mains, and when I was, it was given a tremendous bounce. This is called the Harmon rocket. Alright, thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps somebody.